Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Dixieland Elementary School, home of the Cougars in Madera, California. This is my third visit to their campus, a very special day again. We're talking about positivity for all the student programs, all the grades TK through 8 and 3 separate assemblies in the cafeteria. And really, we're trying to talk about having a positive attitude everywhere in our lives and with everyone in our lives, right? So that means here at school, at home, on our teams, out in the community, and with our friends, family, teachers, coaches, everyone, right? And the more positivity that we can bring to this world, the better place that it's going to be. And it's easy to be positive on days like today. The sun's shining, very beautiful here in Madera. But on days when it's not, sometimes it's not always easy to, maintain that positive outlook. And that's why I have this shirt for this particular assembly. It says, "Keep your head up," and the words are upside down on purpose. So if you're feeling down, looking down, feeling sad, it's a reminder to keep your head up, right? To always think positive no matter what, to just always do our best, then rest. We know that true excellence isn't always about being the best or having to get first place or win the race or get the trophy. It's just about doing your best, giving your effort and knowing that the outcome is probably going to be the result you want if you put in the work, right? If you've tried your hardest. And to know that we can keep failing again and again, but it doesn't make us a failure, that we can make mistakes. It doesn't make us a mistake, just means we're learning something new. We know the opposite of success is not failure, it's giving up or quitting, right? We have to keep trying. We have to always keep persevering, keep pushing until success happens. And I think the students really got that today. A lot of them that came up to me afterwards and shared their heart with me. This being my third time, a lot of them remembered some of the different concepts that we've spoken about in the past, including this one too, that I bring up in all my talks, and that's that we're all true miracles, right? With the lines on our hands, we have the letter M. Trace one of mine here again. That M stands for miracle. Upside down, W stands for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And we have to believe that, right? And so the whole concept is that once we do, now we can be the light to someone else's heart and hopefully, shine that to them, to know their worth, to know their value, and keep lifting, that we rise by lifting others. And so those were the main components of the student programs during the day. Then we also had a parent session in the evening, and that was on leadership, turning our passion into our purpose, right? Where we start using our gifts, even at a young age, our abilities, our talents, our skills, to start helping others. That becomes part of our purpose, why we're here on this earth, right? That it's people first, things second. We make that a priority in our lives. We keep really trying to understand that we're doing things for the right reason and have that true character, that we're doing the right thing even when no one's watching as well, right? That's so important that we do that on a daily basis, because this world needs a lot more positivity, of course, but also a lot more positive leadership. And, to think that we're already getting the wheels turning at a young age, for some of these young minds and hearts, that's what's always so inspirational to me, to know that they're picking up that torch for change, that they're gonna, still make the choices that are hopefully going to really elevate themselves, but also the people around us. And again, it's just an honor to keep building, to keep growing on what we've talked about and taking it up another level today like we did. And so thank you so much from that. So thank you so much for that from the bottom of my heart. Hope to see you all again soon. Until then, though, have a great rest of the school year. And as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.